Markets end lower in a volatile session, and clearly Nifty ended below the 19,300 mark, and the Sensex fell nearly 280 points. Overall, if you go to see in terms of markets, the benchmark stocks, did see a slight recovery, and this was on Reliance Industries, which reversed losses to lead the indices after it announced 21st August as the listing date of its financial arm. You had Adani Group of stocks, on the other hand, which gained as their total market capitalization actually jumped to the highest level in 6 months in intraday session. IT stocks led the fall, whereas media and PSU banking stocks were marginally higher as well. You had Sensex, which ended below the 65,000 mark in trade today. Overall, power and Nifty were the stocks which were gaining in trade, and the broader markets were also on the losing end. The breadth was pretty much in favor of the bulls. Adani Enterprises, Ports, Eicher Motors, Nestle, and Britannia, these were the top gainers in trade today, whereas on the losing end, you had names like Hero Moto, TCS, Tech Mahindra, Hindalco, as well as Infosys. We already mentioned about the other Adani Group companies, which added over 50,000 crores to the group market capitalization. Reliance Industries advanced after it confirmed Geo Financial Services listing date as the 21st of August. Lupin acquired German brands, on the back of which there was some momentum there. Indian Hume Pipe was up in trade on the back of an order win from the Odisha government. GMM Pfaudler and Panappuram Finance both were in focus today, and this was on the back of the bulk deals that happened on these counters. Finolex Cable surged in trade, and this was on the back of the increase in target price that we saw from Jefferies. Yatharth surged on the back of the first quarter numbers. Sula Vineyards jumped in trade as well because the long weekend was really a good one for them. That's what they indicated. And you had South Indian Bank, which jumped in trade after a large trade, as well as RBI's nod for the new MD and CEO. Concord Biotech also listed at a premium to its issue price. So a lot of stock-specific action in markets, but clearly there was pressure and the decline has continued. And the fourth week of decline in over 16 months is what we've seen.